we're finally allowed back at work, so I thought I'd do a bit of a workshop tour, vlog type thing I guess, but show you guys around, see what we've got going on at the moment, and yeah, just keep you up to date with what we're up to. So, here she is. If you haven't been here before, this is our new workshop up in Silverdale. Got a bit on the go, as you can see. Look around. Over here, Dundre's 2JZ. Big deck board with his billet main clips. It's pretty fucking flash. Got an R32 GDI over here. We came in here all factory. We've stripped it down, painted the engine bay. Got the engine bay painted as such. Just getting one of our 400 kilowatt packages. So HX40, Forge 26, some cams, and that's about all it really needs. It makes a bit of grunt. It's going to keep it all sleeper looking, so it's pretty cool. This thing, Gustavo's. We'll be doing a little bit of a feature on this eventually anyway. RB30, 470 kilowatt I think it is. Might be wrong, I can't remember. We've just finished doing a lift kit in it, as you can see. It's going to take it to Muriwai and beach off-roading. No, we should just take the gearbox out of it again. That was his factory one. He got a gear set put into this one. We chucked it in the car and it was stuffed straight away. So that's a good bloody start. So he's going to be picking it up and taking it back to the guy, get that all sorted out. So we'll see what happens. I can chuck it back in. Actually, speaking of Gustavo, here he is now to pick up his gearbox, and he's meant to be staying right there. No, stop! You gotta stop at that fucking doorway, mate. No closer. I'm gonna push your gearbox to you. Well, Dundre's gonna push your gearbox to you. I don't know, but level 3, boy, level 3. This is my 32 hack, which you can't really see, so I'll pull it backwards and we can get into the light and have a look. All right, now it's in the light. We can see things. Got tube frame rear end. Dundre's done all that, chopped it all up. It's pretty cool. There's going to be a fuel tank mounted in there and a fuel cell and a few other bits and pieces. Surge tank. She's pretty rough and ready, but I'm going to paint it. That's the plan. Engine bay's pretty cool. Tube framed again. Thanks to this young fella over here. Got an RB30, 25 head, Hyperchong intake, precision turbo, custom mini that I actually scored for next to nothing, that Mr. Bernard Lim made. Bernuck, it's pretty cool, does the job, hopefully, and the gate's going to be at the side here, so it should be pretty interesting. It's got a GK Tech lock setup, if you can kind of see it. Not the best lighting in the world, but yeah, it's absolutely shit lighting. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Eventually I'll get that going one day. It's also completely stripped out. This lighting is terrible, quite dark. Does it help? I don't know. Roll cage, 350Z CD009 box, which we have to make a bit of a shifter fucking adjustment, sure, because it's in the middle of nowhere, but it'll work. And it's going to have a Heltec, a few other bits and pieces, hydro handbrake. Get out there. There's some skids and stuff. Yeah. We have this pretty hectic R33 GDR. Came in as a rolling shell, and we've built a 3.2 litre for it, so it's a spool one instead of the Nitto that we'd normally use, but the customer supplied a spool, so we've got to use that. Full built 26 head with big ass cams, Calford springs, etc. Hypertune intake, Garrett GTX 4202 turbo, full 4-inch exhaust system, done in house by Dundre, and screamer pipe and that kind of stuff plunges back in. It's sitting over there at the moment. Factory gearbox, that should be interesting. We'll see how that goes. Custom catch can ×2, and it's got electric power steering, which is in the boot. but should do 1,000 odd horsepower. Just waiting for get this wiring crap sorted. Hopefully someone's going to have a look at it today, since I don't have my normal wiring guy anymore, so got to deal with these things. Young RX-7 FD, owned by my flatmate Frosty. He's got a multitude of these things. If you know the guy, he loves RX-7s. I think he's got 4 or 5. This is just one of them. It's just 13B extend port, precision 6870. It's got a full exhaust system that's not on there at the moment, but we've also done all the other fab on it, so it's pretty cool. It's just chilling here at the moment. Needs some more stuff done to it, but one day. Also got his other ones to finish off too, so it'll have its time. I was actually wrong, as pointed out by Dundre, who was having a listen. It's actually a 6766, I completely forgot about it. It's been here for so bloody long, because, yeah, got too many things on the go. And last, but certainly not most least, because Matt will have a cry, Mr. Matthew Connolly's R32 GDR, back again. Previously making 300 kilowatts and tearing up the streets, RB to envy, and now he wants a bit more because he wants a bigger dick, so here he is. He's now back for a, well, we stripped the engine down, gave it a bit of a refresh, extended sump from old JX Engineering. I'll probably drop the hoist down and get a bit of an engine bay shot soon. He's now got a full 4-inch exhaust system. It's now single turbo instead of gay twins. All the fab work done in-house. It's pretty cool. And I'll drop the hoist down again with a bloody look at the engine bay. Nice bullet high tuning to call it. Precision 6466. I think it's a Cinco, yep, Cinco manifold. Can't quite see the colour of the rocker covers, but it's pretty cool. It's like a purple and green. Yeah. He's got a Hypertune intake for it, which isn't on yet. We're getting there. And it should be making 600 kilowatt eventually. Should be pretty cool. And that's pretty much what we've got going on at the moment. Just a quick look around the shop. First day back at work, trying to get into it. It's pretty bloody hard though. Heaps to do, heaps to get on with. Still got lots booked in too, so makes life interesting. But I'll get it done. So yeah, let us know what you want to see more of in the workshop. I don't bloody know. It's all new to me.